In this video, we'll show you how to keep your straw bale walls straight during the bale stack. While you're stacking straw bales, already placed bales can shift as you work around them. Bales that stick out from a vertical wall plane may be visually appealing or appalling, depending on taste and design requirements. If the plastered straw bale wall plays a structural role, the bale surface needs to be quite flat, with no part protruding more than 2 inches from plumb over an 8-foot height. And when walls are flatter, plasterers find that it's easier to apply uniformly thick plaster coats, which reduces cracking and requires less material. Builders use several methods to keep straw bales in plane during the bale stack. Nails pounded into the sills every 6 to 12 inches prevent the first course of bales from shifting as subsequent courses are added. Keep the nails away from the exterior and interior wall faces, because nails that bend towards the wall surface can be struck by sharp tools, which could dull blades and cause a spark. Use your hand to make sure that the bales are flush with the exterior wall surface as each bale is placed against framing. When vertical framing isn't close by, some builders use a long level to check for plumb or fashion a straight edge, often called a truth stick, from 2x stock that spans from sill to top plate. When the edge touches the sill, the top plate, and the bales in between, the bales are in plane. If the edge rocks on a bale or a gap appears under the edge, bales need to be moved in or out. Builders use several techniques to keep the bales in plane during the stack, depending on the building's framing system. Load-bearing buildings may use corner guides, erected and braced prior to the bale stack, then removed once the walls are up. Wood-framed straw bale buildings can employ guides made from 2x lumber to span vertical framing. Move the guide up after each course. Bales can be snugged to adjacent posts by sewing them in place with a loop of baling twine. A 12-inch wood stake pounded into the bale near a post, then screwed to the post, will keep it from shifting. When using LVL, I-joist, or wall trusses for posts, and at window and door bucks fashioned from 2x or plywood, drill a hole through the wood approximately mid-wall, then pound sharpened wood dowels into the adjoining bales. As the wall rises, use bale hammers and tampers to pound protruding bales into plane. The effort to keep walls straight during the bale stack results in flatter walls. This may be a structural requirement, and it definitely saves time during plastering.